Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to talk about what wheels we're putting on the Honda CRX project car. So I've got them here sitting next to me. I'm pretty stoked about these wheels. If you've been watching the series, you might have seen them kind of sitting there in the background here and there. So if you spotted them and you've seen them, I'm sure you know what they are and you're probably excited as much as I am. But anyway, so let's unbox one and show you what it is. I'll talk about them a bit, little hints. I've waited a long time for these, probably about 4 months. They've been sitting here for about 4 months, but I ordered them about 8 months ago. It took them 4 months to come in. Yeah, let's just uncover them and show them to you. I'm getting the tires mounted shortly, so I need to get them ready, put the valve stems in them, get them ready. So I thought I'd share the wheels with you guys. So, just gonna take the cover. Oh, you didn't see that. Right. So, without further ado, these are the wheels that are gonna go on the CRX project car. Ray's TE37 Sonics. Yeah. In the bronze finish. The specs are 16x7, 35 offset. Yeah, so I'm going to mount the valve caps in them now, so that the guy that's going to get the tires mounted for me is he's coming to pick them up this evening so he can mount the tires for me. I went ahead and went with a Falcon tire, 195 45 16. So yeah, that's them there. They're super lightweight. They're forged, as you can see. Well, if you see it on the spoke there, it says forged. So really, this is my probably 5th set of Ray's wheels I've had, or 5th set. I've currently got a set on my Galant in the garage, but that's the TE37 V, the Model V. So these are the Sonics. They're super lightweight, so really cool. And you can see in the barrel, backside of them. Yeah, just a beautiful wheel. So I thought I'd share those with you, and I'll flip the camera around and show you a bit better of a view from the top, so you can get a better view of the wheel. So yeah, let's flip the camera around. Right, and here they are. A little bit closer view for you guys. So this is etched into the wheel. The Volk Racing here is etched. Same thing with the Rays and the Forged. It's etched into the wheel to help stop the copycats. Obviously made in Japan, Rays Engineering. The bronze finish is super good. It's not the original bronze. This is one of their newer bronzes. So this is, yeah, I don't know. I've actually probably show you the wheels on the Galant and you can see the difference between the spokes. But yeah, just a beautiful wheel. I haven't got the center caps for them yet. I'm gonna get those. They'll just say Rays on it. Match the wheel with the bronze. So yeah, really nice wheel. Really stoked about getting these on the car. The fitment should be good. 16x7, 35 offset, as I said. So the fitment should be pretty good with the CRX. I shouldn't have too many rubbing issues, I don't think, with the tire size that I've chosen. I've also got some raised lug nuts coming, some black lug nuts to go with the wheels. I have a wheel lock set. Those are coming. I should have those in the next day or so. They'll be here ready for when the tires are mounted. I went with a Falcon tire. It's one of their performance brand tires. It's RE something. I can't remember the spec of the tire, but yeah. So 195 45 16. So those will be good. Yeah, let me show you the bronze now. Difference between the newer bronze and the old bronze on the other wheels I have in here that are on my Galant here. You probably won't, unless side by side, you could probably see the difference. But this is the older bronze. It's more of a matte finish, I think, where the other one's a little bit brighter. So these are T37, the T37 Vs. These are 17x8, 25 offset. So it gives you a little bit of a lip, and that's them on the Galant. So yeah, let's take you back to the Rays wheels for the CRX. So yeah, so I'm gonna get the valve stems mounted in these. I believe it's a black valve stem. Hopefully it's a black valve stem, because that'll match the lug nuts and stuff like that, because it's all about matching. You don't want like blue, because I know they do a blue and a black, but hopefully it's not the blue. I need to get them out. They're down here somewhere, down in the barrels. Yeah, probably under the wheel. But anyway, let's get those out and we'll get them mounted in the wheel. All right, and I am back from getting the tires fitted. I had these fitted at using Tolman Motorsports. They took care of me mounting the tires for these. Yeah, so I went and got the Falcon ZE320, so 320s, ZE320s, Falcon tires. They look really nice on the rims. Yep, so I gotta put the 2 center caps in, and those are the lug nuts. Now I've already put 2 on the car as a little bit of a teaser just to make test fit and see how they look. Stay tuned for the end of the video and you guys can see the finished product of them on the car. But yeah, so I'm gonna get these last 2 front ones mounted on the car now. And yeah, they're looking fire with the tire on there. The tire size is a 195, 45, 16, excuse me. So there you go, there's a good look at the tire size. Yeah, we'll get these caps snapped in and then we'll get them fitted onto the car, which is just waiting out there patiently. Using the Honda scissor jack to jack up the car, because you can. Let's get this thing in the air and get these off the car. When I've got the wheel off, I'm just going to wipe it all down and clean it up, because I drove it to the MOT station and to get the wheel alignment done when it was pouring down with rain, unfortunately. So it's a little bit of water on everything, and it gives me a good reason just to look at everything, make sure everything's okay still after the rebuild, which is all looking good. Just going to wipe it down just to clean it up a bit, you know, after the rebuild. So this is the wheel lock. All right, time to put some tire shine on. All right, now we'll lower it down and torque the wheel, and then we'll do the other side. All right, we're gonna do a little bit of a weigh test. So this is the stock wheel. Let's see how much she weighs. So that is dead on 28 pounds. Dead on 28. Yeah, okay. Dead on 28. All right, and let's reset that. Okay, there we go. And let's weigh the TE37. Let's see what weight we're talking about here. Hoping to 2 less pound maybe. Ooh, I need to reset that. All right, let's see where we're at. Oh, is that right? 28 pounds dead on too. It weighs exactly the same.
Well, they weigh the same.
Yeah, it weighs exactly the same. That's crazy. 28 pounds, exact same weight. That is, I wouldn't expect to be exactly the same.
No.
But then again, I've gone up. So these original ones are 14 inch with a 185/60 14, and I've gone up to a 16 inch, which is a 195/45 16. So yeah, that's crazy. Same weight. Pretty cool, man. All right, guys. It's a little windy here, so ready for the wind noise. Sorry about the wind noise, but I've got the wheels on. It's looking really good. Over this weekend, because it's I think it's Wednesday. Over this weekend, we've got a bank holiday weekend here in the UK, and the weather's looking spectacular, nice and sunny and warm. So I'm going to be driving the CRX. So I'm going to put some videos in at the end of the video here of me cruising around, get some nice photos of it, and share it with you guys. So stay tuned for that, and we'll catch you at the end of the video. All right, just doing a little driving this afternoon, and I thought I'd show you guys the final finished product of the CRX. It's got the wheels on it now. It's all finished. Thought I'd share it with you guys. See the stance of the wheels. Nice and flush with the body, no rubbing whatsoever. Perfect fitment, really. She's looking really good. She's driving nice. There's a few little noises here and there I need to fix, but overall she's really good. Very happy with it. And off camera I did a stereo install, Alpine head unit, and the Alpine speakers all the way around in the back, and then the front door jamb there, and the front door cards. But yeah. All right. Right, so that is going to end this particular series of videos of the CRX. I'm going to be doing some more throughout the year, but probably won't be one for a few more months now, if not more than that, to be honest. There is going to be plans this winter coming up, excuse me, and into 2027. I'm going to be fixing and restoring the sunroof system, and fixing and restoring the fuel tank. I don't think there's anything wrong with the fuel tank, not fixing it, sorry. Just restoring the fuel tank system, cleaning out the tank, new pump maybe, and stuff like that. So that's gonna happen over winter for 2026 into 2027. So stay tuned for that. If you wanna be able to see that, make sure you subscribe and click the bell notification, I don't know. Click that, and that will show you when there's a next video out. There will be, just a little teaser, there will be a video coming out in September this year. Probably actually won't be till October, because I'll be doing it in September. I'm taking the CRX to Nürburgring, so me and my brother are going for a cruise over from the UK to Nürburgring, so stay tuned for that. That'll be a pretty cool video. I'm excited about that. I've just finished booking all the stuff to get it going, all the hotels and stuff like that. So that's going to be a cool place to go. I've never been, so I'm excited. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, so we'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks again for watching. I really appreciate it.